Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Goat, and today I'm going to be doing a POV video of my 2014 Chevy Cruze Eco, which has the 1.4 liter turbo, and we also have ZZ Performance's Stage 2 kit on it, which essentially is a cold air intake, a larger intercooler, and turbo back exhaust. So I'll show you that real quick in the engine bay. Let's go take a look and then we'll go for a drive. Cold air intake. Hard to see that exhaust. She's filthy though. Really need to give her a bath. So we've had this car for 2 years now. I really enjoy the car, and I'm hoping this gives you guys a good, idea of the experience of driving it. We haven't done anything to the clutch, anything to the shifter. So from that aspect, it's all stock, which in turn means that the clutch is really light, as well as the shifter is smooth, light, easy to shift. It's not tight. So one of the things that I've always enjoyed about this car is just how nimble it feels. Like I mentioned in my previous video about the Cruze, the steering is just like it's right there. I love it. Steering wheel, I don't know, at least to me the steering wheel feels somewhat smaller than your average car, and for some reason I really like that. of just love the noises you get from this thing with that cold air intake. All the traffic through here today. I really can't say enough about the feel of the steering with this car. It's absolutely beautiful. We're gonna run back through it. Maybe you can actually hear things now. She's a speed demon. Maybe not really, but she is peppy, I'll give her that. With the Stage 2 kit, I should add that on. Without it, she's not the peppiest. But with that Stage 2 kit, it's, I don't know. In my eyes, it's like a whole new car. Just the responsiveness that it has. The sounds that you get from it, you can't beat that. As I've mentioned multiple times now, I love the steering. Feels good. I honestly really love the way this car handles. Like, I would love to be able to put some more power to it and just see what this platform can really do. And I know ZZ Performance has quite a few aftermarket parts that you can get for these cars, but like I said, as of right now, all we've got is the Stage 2 kit on it. But our main goal with this, when we got the Stage 2 kit, you know, we weren't looking to make the car fast. We really just wanted it to be a little more fun to drive, which it definitely made it a lot more fun to drive, and just more of a, I don't know, more manageable, I guess, because before having this Stage 2 kit, like I've said before, the car really felt sluggish when going to pass people. I mean, when I had looked into getting this car, I had actually found a few videos on YouTube and just comments in the videos of people saying, you know, on steeper hills that they'd have to downshift just to get up the hill. And honestly, I've never had that, even when it was stock. But especially now with this Stage 2 kit, that's definitely not a worry. Ooh, squeaky brakes. But like I said, if you're looking for a car that handles great around the corners, I love it. I absolutely love the way this thing handles. Just the whole feel of the car going around the corners. And we don't have coilovers or anything like that. I think that would also really be a big benefit to the car. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to make a quick little video here of a point of view and just kind of talking about the car. Like I said, I really enjoy the car. It's a fun little peppy car that, you know, I'm honestly really curious as to how far this car could go, you know, with aftermarket parts. So, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the car, or if this video was helpful in any way to you. And as always, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.